Ever wondered if you could add more vibrant years to your life? What if science could help us not just look younger, but actually be younger? Stay tuned as we dive into the groundbreaking research that's reshaping what we know about aging. In this episode, we're peeling back the layers of aging. Did you know that recent breakthroughs might soon enable us to slow or even reverse aging? This isn't science fiction, it's the frontier of biological science. Initial studies done on model organisms like mice have shown promising results, and now, these studies are transitioning into human trials. Welcome to Cellular. Make sure to subscribe for more insights into your health and longevity. We'll delve into what changes occur at the cellular level as we age and how understanding these processes can lead to longer lives. We spend billions annually on anti-aging products, but what really works? Today, we separate myth from science. While creams and serums promise a youthful glow, their effects are often skin deep. Unlike these topical solutions, cutting-edge research is aiming at the root causes of aging. Let's examine the effectiveness of popular products and compare them with scientific advancements in the field. Understanding aging starts with the biology behind it. Today we explore the hallmarks of aging, such as cellular deterioration and the inability of the body to effectively eliminate worn-out cells and proteins. What triggers aging at a biological level? We'll break down complex processes into easy-to-understand concepts, complete with animations to illustrate these changes. Next, we take a closer look at what happens to our DNA over time. From the shortening of telomeres to the decline in mitochondrial function, these changes are more than just signs, they're the underlying causes of aging. But while products like creams, hair dyes, and Botox may provide a youthful appearance, they do not actually reverse the aging process. True anti-aging solutions lie in understanding the biological causes of aging and developing methods to slow or halt its visible signs and related diseases. Scientists focus on what are known as the hallmarks of aging, which include general cellular wear and tear and the body's declining ability to remove old or dysfunctional cells and proteins. Understanding these hallmarks could be the key to unlocking the mysteries of aging. Aging is an inevitable part of life for most species, but what if it didn't have to be? The science of aging is a rapidly evolving field, and you might be surprised at what it's uncovering. Every year, people spend around $62 billion trying to slow down or reverse the aging process. This staggering sum goes towards a vast range of products and treatments, from creams and hair dyes to Botox injections. Their shared aim? To keep us looking as youthful as possible for as long as possible. But here's the catch. While these products may help improve our outward appearance, giving us smoother skin or fewer gray hairs, they don't actually slow or stop the aging process. Why? Because aging is not just skin deep, it's a complex process that involves changes at the cellular level, within our bodies. The creams, the dyes, the Botox, they're all surface-level solutions. They tackle the visible signs of aging, but they don't address the biological causes. The real science of aging happens beneath the surface, deep within our cells. While these products can help us look younger, they don't address the underlying biological processes of aging. Scientists are digging deep into our cells to uncover the real causes of aging. They're on a quest to understand why we age and how we can slow the process. They're delving into the very essence of our bodies, our cells, and studying the hallmarks of aging. So, what are these hallmarks exactly? Well, they're the changes that occur in our cells over time. The first of these hallmarks is cellular wear and tear. Just like an old car that breaks down after years of use, our cells also deteriorate over time. This wear and tear can lead to dysfunction and disease, as our cells become less able to carry out their functions efficiently. But it's not just about the cells wearing out. The body's ability to remove old or dysfunctional cells and proteins also declines with age. You can think of this like a city's waste management system. When it's working well, it efficiently removes all the trash and keeps the city clean. But as we age, our cellular cleanup crews become less efficient, allowing waste to accumulate. This cellular debris can cause inflammation and other problems. In addition, our cells also accumulate damage over the years. This can be caused by various factors, including exposure to toxins, poor diet, and even just the normal process of living. This damage can lead to changes in our DNA, which can disrupt cellular operations and increase the risk of diseases like cancer. And that's not all. As we get older, our cells become less able to repair themselves. This can lead to a buildup of damaged cells, which can further contribute to aging and disease. All these factors combine to create a snowball effect. The more damage and debris that accumulate in our cells, the more our bodies show the signs of aging. But by understanding these hallmarks, scientists hope to develop methods to slow or halt these processes. They're already making exciting progress in this field, with new discoveries being made every year. Understanding these hallmarks is the first step towards developing methods to slow or halt the visible signs of aging and related diseases. And while we may not have a fountain of youth just yet, the future looks promising. Our bodies are complex machines, and like all machines, parts can wear out over time. This is particularly true at the cellular level, where biological changes contribute significantly to the aging process. Let's delve into these changes, focusing on three main areas: DNA and chromosomal issues, epigenetic changes, and mitochondrial decline. First off, DNA, our genetic instruction manual. Over time, DNA accumulates changes and damage, much like a book might gather dust and tears. This can lead to dysfunction in cellular operations and even increase the risk of cancer. Additionally, there's a phenomenon known as telomere shortening. Think of telomeres as the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes. As we age, these caps shorten, especially affecting the function of stem cells, which are crucial for tissue repair and regeneration. Now let's talk about epigenetic changes. Epigenetics refer to modifications that affect gene activity without changing the DNA sequence itself. Picture a music conductor directing the orchestra on how to play the notes. That's what epigenetics does for our genes. But as we age, these epigenetic modifications degrade, impacting the health of our organs. Lastly, we have mitochondrial decline. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of our cells, producing energy that fuels cellular function. Mitochondria become less efficient at producing energy as we age. This impacts the overall function of our cells and leads to increased inflammation, a key player in many age-related diseases. To sum it up, aging is a result of wear and tear at the cellular level. DNA changes, epigenetic modifications, and less efficient energy production. These changes at the cellular level are what drive the aging process. But what if we could intervene to slow down or even reverse the aging process? As we age, our bodies become less efficient at cleaning up cellular garbage. One major issue is the accumulation of senescent cells. These are cells that have stopped dividing. They release harmful chemicals, which can cause inflammation and other health problems. Our bodies are supposed to naturally eliminate these cells, but as we get older, this process becomes less efficient. Another problem is protein misfolding. Proteins are the workhorses of our cells, performing all sorts of tasks to keep us functioning properly. But over time, these proteins can misfold, leading to diseases like Alzheimer's. Autophagy, our body's cleanup process, is supposed to remove these misfolded proteins. However, autophagy also declines with age, so these harmful proteins can start to build up, but there's hope. Scientists are exploring drugs known as senolytics, which could help our bodies better eliminate senescent cells. And research into improving autophagy is ongoing. While these cellular cleanup problems contribute significantly to aging, promising experimental therapies are on the horizon. The prospect of slowing down or even reversing aging may sound like science fiction, but it's closer to reality than you might think. The future of aging research is teeming with potential, with experimental therapies opening new doors in our understanding and treatment of aging. Consider senolytics, for instance. These drugs are designed to target and eliminate the harmful senescent cells that increase with age and lead to inflammation. While not yet ready for widespread use, the preliminary results from studies are encouraging. Then there are drugs affecting autophagy, the process our bodies use to clean up misfolded proteins linked to diseases like Alzheimer's. As we age, autophagy declines, but researchers are exploring ways to stimulate this process and potentially slow the progression of age-related diseases. These therapies are still in the experimental stage, but they represent a beacon of hope in our quest to understand and combat aging. The future of aging research is bright, and we may soon see a world where aging is no longer inevitable. While we wait for these scientific advancements, there are things we can do right now to age well. One of the most effective strategies is maintaining healthy lifestyle habits. Regular physical activity, for instance, not only keeps the body fit, but also boosts mental health and slows down the aging process. Also, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help keep our cells functioning optimally. It's also worth noting that good sleep and stress management play a significant role in our overall health and well-being. Certain supplements and nutraceuticals are being studied for their potential anti-aging effects. For example, resveratrol, found in grapes and red wine, has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties in animal studies. Similarly, compounds that activate sirtuins, a class of enzymes involved in cellular stress responses and metabolism, are being explored for their potential anti-aging effects. Until science finds a way to halt or reverse aging, leading a healthy lifestyle is our best bet for a long, fulfilling life. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the fascinating science of aging. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of longevity, we invite you to join us on this journey. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos on health and longevity. We'd like to thank you for your time and interest in this topic. Stay tuned for more exciting content on health and longevity. See you in our next video.